Можно пока балакать?
Here's the video how to leave your edits for any of the deliverables that we did. So you'll get your email with view deliverables like that. You're following the link. This is the page with all of your deliverables. You can see you have pictures here. You can open up pictures by double clicking. On the right side, you will have request a change. You can put here whatever you want. We'll try to do our best to make it happen. And you just add in the request. No need to review and send it right away. You can add multiple requests one after another and then submit them all at once. That can include some removals. Please be detailed as possible. If you want to remove something specific, please make sure you describe it in detail. Again, you can add as many pictures as you want in the different rounds. You're pressing add to request. You can also leave comments not only for pictures but for floor plans as well if you need. At the bottom you can see how many requests you already have pending. If you didn't press review and send, we're not going to get them, so please make sure you press review and send. Now let's find the floor plan. For example, you're opening the floor plan and you're going to have exactly the same request change box. You can add any request there and press review and send. Here you can see all of the changes that you have. You can change some phrasing if you want to make sure, or if you have any other things about this project, like you need to have it ASAP, or you have some references that related to the whole order, you can add it there as well. And just pressing send a request. We will get your email and get back to you. In the right top bottom, you will get a confirmation that your edit has been submitted. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to us at info@olexdp.com. Thank you and happy selling!